Alright guys, so in this video we're going to teach you how to cook minute steak in under 2 minutes over the fire on a cast iron skillet. So let's get into it. Burn down and you've got some coals there. Put your cast iron skillet off to the side. Now we're looking for a fair bit of heat in this one, guys, so it's going to have to get quite hot. You can put a little bit of olive oil in there and see if it starts to smoke, and that'll give you a good indication of when it's hot enough. All right, so while we're waiting for the pan to heat up, we've taken out a piece of the minute steak, we've put on the chopping board, and the first thing you're going to want to do is put a little bit of olive oil onto it. So we get the olive oil, and you only just want to put a little drizzle, both sides. I'll just show you how to do one side. And then what you want to do, you want to add just a pinch of salt over the top of it, and then some cracked pepper. All right, so now we'll take it over to the pan and we'll start the cooking process and we'll hit the timer. All right, so 2 minutes is on the counter, let's go. So if the meat tends to lift up off the pan, you can always just keep it pressed down with your spatula. Oh, there you go. All right, so that's 1 minute in. The juices are starting to come through. It's now time to turn. Oh, look at that. This is that bit where I was saying if you need to, you can rest them on the side and keep it down. All right, now that's 2 minutes. You want to put that on some paper towel, and then you got to let it rest for the whole time that you cooked it. So 2 minutes rest time. 2 minutes rest time, let those juices draw back into it, and it'll be absolutely perfect. Tender, soft, and tastes like a $30 steak. All right, now while that meat is resting, we're gonna go into the greenhouse. We're gonna grab some tomato. We're also gonna grab some lettuce, and we're gonna make a steak sandwich. So you wanna make sure that you pick a nice fresh tomato off the tree. And I think, just looking at it, I'll take this leaf right here. That looks like a nice leaf. So you want to slice this fresh tomato nice and thick, nice and thin. Want to put a heap of butter on your bread, guys. Makes it look even nicer. That beautiful steak, fresh tomato. That lettuce leaf straight out of the garden, on she goes. Now I don't have any sauce with me at the moment, so we're going to go with it as is, and I'll let you know what it tastes like. You ready? It is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if it's the fire, the cast iron skillet, or the caramelization of that salt around the outside of the meat, but you will not be disappointed trying this at home. Make sure you try it and let me know in the comments below. I'm going to keep eating this. Now guys, if you've never cooked carrots on a cast iron skillet before, I want you to check out this video over here right now. It's absolutely beautiful. The honey tasted perfect, and you can add it to any other roast that you like. Now if you don't like carrots, why don't you check out this video up here, which is pulled pork in the Dutch oven by the campfire. Thanks very much for watching the channel, guys. We appreciate you all very much, and we'll catch you on the next video.